Qingdao Karman Hand Truck Company Limited is a renowned company specializing in the sale of various types of rubber products. These include wheelbarrow wheels, tires and tubes, hand truck wheels, ATV tires, motorcycle tires, dustbin wheels, and hand trolleys. We have exported our products to over 80 countries and regions globally, including Europe, North America, Latin America, Africa, the Middle East, South Asia, and Australia. Our workshop is fully equipped with state-of-the-art machines for high-efficiency automatic cutting, forming, and capsule vulcanizing. This allows us to produce up to 10,000 pieces of tires within a day. We also provide OEM services for branding, logos, labels, and customized packing to meet your unique needs. We uphold strict inspection control procedures to ensure deliver consistent, high-quality products that meet your needs. Our young and dynamic international sales team provides exceptional customer service, offering reasonable project suggestions and market-specific product recommendations. At Karman Company, we prioritize quality as our first priority and honesty as our business philosophy. Our dedication to delivering superior products and services at an affordable price has earned us a reputation as an industry leader. We look forward to developing long-term and mutually beneficial relationships with you. Our commitment to quality, honesty, and competitive pricing ensures you can always depend on Qingdao Karman Hand Truck Company Limited for all your rubber wheel needs.